Hey guys, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and a developer of MPS software. If you guys are new, the MPS software is a pattern recognition software that is deciphered as monster pattern search. Why I call it a monster pattern search? First of all, it can identify harmonic patterns, it can identify advanced formations, it can identify Larry Pesavento patterns, it can identify your custom patterns as well. Moreover, you can switch whatever pattern you want to be displayed, and you can do the historical backtesting and real-time trades, and you can be 100% guaranteed that exactly the same way the patterns were discovered on history will be drawn for your real-time trading, because the algorithms is the same. And if you have found that cipher is 70% correct on history, on this pair, on this time frame, this means that in future it will be 70% correct as well. Well, it depends on the sample size of how many patterns you trade. Numbers may vary, but roughly it is the same. It is not something that you do the manual way, because I remember myself doing the market research, finding cipher patterns and Gartley patterns. My first pattern was a Gartley pattern, and I found it being 70% correct, the pattern on Euro-dollar and Aussie dollar. And when I tried to trade them according to the rules that I tested on history, I couldn't roughly hit the 50% win rate. And that was kind of amazing. Why is this so? And I found some psychological problems with that. And mainly it is this: after having a loss, you have a fear to enter the next trade, and you are looking for some kind of additional confirmation that you were never looking on history. So you kind of influencing the probabilities when you look at additional confirmation. And vice versa, if your previous pattern was a winner, you have that euphoria, and you hurry up to enter the next trade, even if it lacks some important feature, even if the pattern is broken. You are not looking for some conservative entry, you look at the limit order, aggressive entry, or whatever. So you see that in real-time trading, when real money is in play, it becomes very, very subjective, and there is absolutely no guarantee that you will repeat the results you had in your historical performance. Okay, and the second argument for that is the fact that nobody wants to waste his time. So if you take your Gartley pattern and you take my word that the Gartley pattern is working, it produces the historical positive expectancy, yes. So when you do your historical backtesting, you expect this Gartley to have a positive expectancy. So subconsciously, you are looking at winners mostly. You don't want to waste your time. You don't want this Gartley to turn into a losing strategy. Otherwise, if it is a losing strategy, it means that you have wasted your time and this work was useless, and this Gartley is doesn't worth trading. You see that? Nobody wants that. If you will do your backtesting, you want to backtest something that works. You don't want to waste your time. So this is another problem then, that your backtesting may not be objective. So the solution is to use mechanical algorithms. You can use your mechanical algorithms that you create, but still identify patterns manually. It is up to you. Simply agree about the rules of what is the swing high and swing low, and then simply connect those swing high and swing lows and measure them with Fibonacci. It will be kind of mechanical as well. Although time consuming, but it will still be mechanical way. And that's it. Okay, if you are interested in exact rules of how to identify patterns, you are welcome to my website, www.ps-software.net. The information is absolutely free. You have that. Click on whatever pattern you are interested first, like this. Choose between harmonic patterns, advanced patterns, You will have the identification rules, you will have the trade execution rules and trade management rules. You are welcome to test them on your history. They are conventional rules as they are explained by Scott Carney. These are harmonic patterns, conventional rules that are taught by Scott Carney himself, and advanced patterns are the rules that are taught in Trade Empowered team and Tier 1 trading team. So the Tier 1 trading team is Akil Stokes, Darren Oglesby and Jason Stapleton. They left Trade Empowered, but previously they worked together with Jason Stapleton at Trade Empowered, and they were trading these patterns. So actually the rules are those that were elaborated in Trade Empowered team, the rules on my website. Okay, I'm using some different set of rules, well, mostly because I've done my own market research, and luckily I have created this MPS. It can draw patterns on history, and I can simply find the situations when the patterns work the best. I found the pairs when the pattern works the best, and I found the time frames when the pattern works the best. So that's why I'm simply using the best methodologies. This is one of the reasons why I have created that unified Gottlieb pattern. It is a combination of a bad pattern and a Gottlieb pattern. So it looks this way, this black one. And the cipher pattern, I use the identification rules exactly as they were created by the developer of the cipher, the creator of the cipher, Mr. Darren Oglesby. So they are not modified. But this unified pattern in my trading, in my videos that you see here, this black pattern is the unified Gottlieb. Okay, let's start our analysis. Aussie Canadian, this one is still valid. It didn't hit the stop loss, but based on your rules, if you consider this pattern being valid as soon as the X point touched, then it is invalid. For me, it is this zone that is most important, from here to here. If I have a double bottom here, I will enter long, according to my rules. Okay, also I look at this pattern, you see that diagram that I've drawn, so it may be this. We can have a small selling winner here, and then price may continue to the upside. Aussie New Zealand, two patterns, bearish and bullish. Okay, Aussie dollar, two patterns. This situation is resolved this way. I first trade the first pattern within this zone. If it hits my stop loss, then I go to trade the pattern in the higher zone, like this. So I trade the first, then I trade the second. I don't place two at the same time. Okay, Canadian yen. After yesterday's winner, I'm looking for price to decline and hopefully complete my cipher pattern. But if it doesn't, then be it. Okay, two patterns as well. If it goes higher, we'll have bearish. If it goes lower, we'll have bullish. You see, the patterns are drawn in advance. They are not drawn only when the price reversed. Okay, perfect yesterday's winner. Now I'm looking at this cipher to complete. Euro GBP. If it goes lower, this Gottlieb will complete it. If it goes higher, then this cipher will complete. Euro New Zealand, looking for this cipher. Euro USD had this small winner, and right now I am in this larger unified Gottlieb. So you see the reversal started. Welcome on board if it is the pattern that's on your radar. Well, GBP Canadian had this perfect winner yesterday. Now I'm looking for this cipher to complete. So if it goes higher, then I will look for some selling opportunity within this zone, between the completion zone and invalidation, completion level and invalidation level. And pound yen, you saw that picture. I'm looking at this. So now let's talk about the execution. What are the exact rules of execution with this type of trading, with my type of trading? First of all, what you need to do, you need to, if you want to test my rules, you need to look at this number. It is 87.8. What is this number? It is your potential winner. So if you stretch your fibs from the completion level to 382, it is 87.8. So let me be 87.7. So you see this number 87.7, it is this distance. And then what you need to do, you need to find out the information of what is your ATR. The ATR is average true range. So what is your ATR? Average true range. I have coded a special indicator that tells me that the ATR multiplied 3, my 3 ATR distance is this 203 and 6 decimals. So if this number is less than this number, it tells me that I need to switch to some lower time frame. So the execution should take place on 1 hour. Now compare the two numbers. It is 87.7, it stays the same, nothing changed, and it is 78.6. So the 3 ATR distance for 1 hour time frame is 78.6. It is pretty cool for me. I'm going to execute the trade on 1 hour time frame. Why it is important? Because if you go to execute it on 4 hour time frame, yes, while waiting for some candle confirmation, candlestick formation, yes, you may miss the trading opportunity. And if you execute that on 15-minute time frame, yes, you have those reversals pretty often. You may be in a hurry to enter. So these numbers are showing the optimal time frame for that. The 3 ATR compared to the potential distance. So somewhere here within this zone, between the completion level and invalidation level, I will be looking at reversal formations. Watch my previous videos. I talk about those reversal formations pretty often. They are one-day reversal and close beyond the previous body candle. Well, that's it about today's. Look at my monitor, all these pairs in one place, my market watch or whatever. Well, once again, if you are interested in my software, if you want to have the same patterns that I have every day, you are welcome to visit my website www.ps-software. On my homepage, watch these two videos to unlock the full potential of the software. The introductory video, introduction, very important one, and the demonstration. The demonstration video is also a tutorial video, so it not only demonstrates what the MPS software is capable for, but it also shows the tips and maybe secrets of how to use this software the best way, and it is very needed for my MPS customers. Well, that's it. By the way, it is 30% sell-off, valid till next Sunday, 5 days left. So hurry up to get this. We'll celebrate the 2nd anniversary. Well, now it is. Hope you like this video. If so, give me your thumbs up. All the links will be in description. Until then, good luck, good trading. Hope to see you soon.